can see what you have. People like to see what they could also have in the future. Common mistakes of people, you know, for me, if you try not to be yourself, you're not actually dragging opportunities in, you're dragging opportunities out. See, people are trying so much to belong into a group that they do not belong to. Then they don't get the opportunities that are meant to be for them. Yun yung mahirap.
Where's the thin line between aspiration, di ba? Parang ginagawa mo isang bagay para ma-inspire ang tao. Hindi yung magyabang.
Kasi hindi mo pinapamuka sa tao na you have it. Pinapamukha mo that this is attainable. That is a very different thing. Pag sinabi ko sa'yo na I have here a very rare and yet very valuable Omega from 1965 pa. It's already different from I have my Omega here from 1965 pa worth 2 million. Magkaiba yun. First, what I did was tell you that this is an attainable thing. Here in my wrist is an Omega 1965 Speedmaster worth 2 million pesos. Versus, I have here my Omega Speedmaster worth 2 million pesos. Pag sinabi kong pag sinabi kong ako, I'm focusing too much on me telling people what I have. People don't like to hear what you have. They can see what you have. People like to see what they could also have in the future, which is in a form of aspiration na yun. Diba? Tapos, haluan mo pa in the end na, actually, totoo lang, dati walang-wala ako, dinidream ko lang to eh. Biglang ngayon, meron na ako, and I can't believe it.
Grabe.
That's more relatable now.
Yeah.
Kasi andun din sila sa position na yun. And you've just shared something, what they're having, their position right now is they're just aspiring to have that, and now you have it. Same as what you did 3-4 years ago. Now you were just aspiring to have it, and now you have it. So, you're telling them that there is a beginning and there's an end. It means sa inyo rin, may beginning, may end.
Biggest money mistake?
Thinking that success is permanent. Thinking that what you have is hindi mauubos.